up YouTube, this is lowtop back with more for you to see, and today we're actually going to be doing a sneaker review. These I just got in the mail today and I'm hoping to get this edited and up super fast so I can be the first one on YouTube to review these. As you can see right there, it is the Donald Glover and Adidas collaboration. I am super hyped and I've seen a few unboxings on like Twitter and stuff like that by the Soul Collectors and stuff like that. I was so excited and I was really hoping that it came with a bag that I kept seeing on promo throughout Twitter and stuff like that, but unfortunately these Donald Glover Nizzas did not come one of those bags and I was pretty disappointed. But at the end of the day, this is a Donald Glover and Adidas collaboration. Just to go ahead and show you guys the outside of the box because this is actually pretty interesting and it's kind of a knock at Off-White because this is exactly what they did, which is they turned the orange Nike box inside out and then they have this like pull where you're gonna rip the label open so you can open up to see the shoes. I think it's super dope what they did with this box where they turned it inside out. But yeah, let's go ahead and get right into it. As you can see right there, this is the little pull tab, like kind of like string, and you're gonna go ahead and pull right across. I'm gonna be quiet so you can hear. That was pretty clean. Alright, so we're gonna go ahead and open it. As you can see, this is the Adidas box inside out. Inside, you're gonna be greeted with this very nice wax paper that actually says Donald Glover presents the Adidas Originals logo and a moth icon, which I think is his thing right here with Adidas. Now, the moth is actually supposed to be a very spiritual animal, you know what I mean? From the worm to the cocoon to the beautiful moth at the end of it, you know. These are the touches of Donald Glover. Now moving on to the actual sneaker, it isn't anything super beautiful, but it is a collaboration with Donald Glover, which I am here for all day. It's a very simple sneaker. It's a lot different from what I am used to in my collection. But right here on the side, you're gonna see these iconic white 3 stripes like any other Adidas sneakers, which it's kind of sloppy painted on there, which maybe is a part of the look. And then you're gonna actually see that it's some kind of off-white, which would kind of explain why it had the off-white box kind of feel with the unboxing and everything like that. But you know, we're not even gonna throw shots. And on the side, you're actually gonna see that it has this super bad stitching, but it's a part of that look. Like you can see, like it's falling apart right here. It is the look that he was going for. Then you're gonna see this very nice white sole, which is gonna be like a rubber feel to it. And on the front of the sneaker, which to me actually resembles the outsole of the Yeezys, is gonna be this riveted feel, as you can hear. But right there on the toe, it's reinforced so that you won't, you know, tear a hole into it by dragging your feet or anything like that. And then you're gonna see these nice laces, which I gotta say look pretty dope on here. But it comes with an extra 2 pairs of laces. One is that off-white, one's a regular white, and then what it comes with is white and navy blue, which I think I'm gonna actually end up keeping on here. And on the toe of the sneaker, you're gonna see that it has the Adidas Originals logo, and it has like those strings, kind of like what was to open the box, which I think was a nice little touch. Moving on to the inside of the sneaker, you're gonna see these 2 holes, which is gonna make it breathable for you to wear. Then you're also gonna see that there are 3 white stripes, which again is that Adidas branding. It was sloppy painted on, which I think again was the style that he was going for on this. Now to actually see the insole of the sneaker, which I think maybe one of my favorite parts, is that moth going on the inside. Now that is a dope touch, and I think this is Adidas preen. Correct me if I'm wrong down below, but it's a very soft insole and it kind of has like a suede feel going on right here. Now another touch on the inside of the sneaker, you're gonna see this very nice patchy suede going on the inside, which I think is a nice little touch. And any sneakers that I wear, I really do like that premium feel of the suede. They have the suede going on right here on the back of the sneaker with 1 simple stripe. And right here, you're gonna see that there's a pull tab, and this is a suede patch with leather on the other side. And you can wear it either way, which is like this, or you can flip it up and wear it just like this, which it was shown on the website is, I guess, how you were supposed to wear it. But these sneakers right here, I was super amped up about, and it's not even about the silhouette in itself. It's just the fact that Donald Glover and Adidas did a collaboration, and I've been so gassed up the moment that I found out that they were gonna collaborate. And just at the end of the day, I copped them, and this is gonna be staying in my collection. Right there on the bottom, you're gonna see that it has that moth icon in the off-white kind of color, and on the bottom of the sneaker it's very similar to what a Superstar would be with this pattern. Overall guys, it's a very simple shoe, and I don't know if you guys should expect a super lot about this, but these are dope to me just because of the meaning behind them and the collaboration that they had in the sneaker, and the moth icon on here I think is pretty dope. But yeah guys, let me know what you guys think down below, and if you guys picked up the other ones like the Continental 80 or the Lacombe, but this one is the Nizza Adidas sneaker with Donald Glover. So yeah guys, anyways guys, thanks for watching the video. Please be sure to like, subscribe, and comment, and please be sure to share. Joel2TV.